Good morning, students. Children, we have discussed that there are different types of pollution. We have already discussed these things in our social studies chapters, like smoke from the factories, smoke from the vehicles causes air pollution, dumping of harmful chemicals and other waste material in the water bodies causes water pollution. Dumping the waste from houses and other residential complexes, offices or shops, they create soil pollution, and the noise pollution is created due to excessive, what you can say, the loudspeakers being used, or maybe the vehicles horns create this noise pollution. So these are the different types of pollution we have discussed. Now what are the things we can do to stop this type of pollution? We have to do something. It is the time that we must create a friendly environment for ourselves and for the generation to come to live in this planet. Children, we have discussed that how global warming is creating a havoc in the environment condition, and all the countries are seriously taking this problem because it is a serious threat. The ice caps and the glaciers are melting, and the planet Earth is becoming warmer day by day, which is leading to different type of diseases. Plants and trees are not growing properly. The soil is losing its fertility. In this way, we are going towards a real serious problem. So we should do something about it. The first and foremost things which we should do, we discussed, is that we should create an environment friendly and placed, and that's why we should plant more trees. We should use alternative sources of energy instead of burning the fuel which leads to smoke and pollution. We should check our vehicles regularly, restrict the use of vehicles, restrict the use of resources and electricity. All these can be little, steps, small steps towards making this earth a friendly place to live. Now, disposal of garbage is a serious problem because garbage will be produced every day, and we should dispose it properly. We have discussed this also in our previous chapters in social studies, that garbage can be disposed in form of landfill or burning by incinerators, or waste compaction, or biogas generation, composting, or vermicomposting. Now the best way, as we discussed, that this waste should be disposed properly in the proper garbage bin. It should not be thrown in open places. There should be two separate places where we should throw our dry waste and we should throw our wet waste. Okay, dry waste can be burned, and the wet waste can be decomposed and used as manure. Children, composting is also a very good biodegradable waste. Can be dumped in the ditches and used for making manures in the form of composting. And other ways of dumping the waste, like the factories, when they are dumping the waste, they should take care that this waste is treated. Nowadays the government is taking a serious step, and they have asked the factories to control the pollution, the level of pollution. They ask the companies to grow trees around their factories. They have asked them to dump their waste after treating them, so that harmful gases do not cause harm to the people living around the factories and the industries. Many a times you have read that people got sick consuming or when they have breathed these harmful gases. So this is a real problem. So we should do something about it. Waste is treated and made harmless before being dumped into water bodies. So some processes are there, and people are finding out different processes by which the waste can be made into harmless substances and then thrown in the water bodies instead of throwing it directly and polluting the environment, polluting the water bodies, killing the fishes, killing the marine animals, killing the water plants, and harming the people living near the river or other water bodies. Garbage, wet or dry from houses, is thrown at proper dumping places. We all have different type of waste products generating every day, so we should throw it separately, dry waste and wet waste, as we discussed about biodegradable waste, non-biodegradable waste and e-waste. Okay, so all these should be dumped separately. The use of plastic bag, no, say no to plastic. Plastic bags should not be used and it should be reduced. The authorities, the municipal corporation and other authorities should take care that these use of plastic should be stopped. As you can see, this non-biodegradable waste, all plastic material, and then you have aluminium, then you have glass and other harmful substances which create pollution in the environment. Compostable waste must be dumped in pits. We discussed in pits or ditches they can be made, and this biodegradable. Decomposable means those which can be mixed with the soil. They decompose, and this is called biodegradable waste that decompose and they mix with the soil easily, can be dumped in the pits or ditches where we dug in the soil, and it can be changed into manure or compost. This is a very good way of producing manure or fertilizer, organic manure, which can be used by the farmers, and in the way they serve the two sides. Harmful substances are not present in the environment, and moreover it can be used as manure also. So all these are the different ways which we can try out to stop pollution. Okay, thank you.